Vocabulaire, naming off our different kinds of stores. So a bakery which sells bread only is la boulangerie. Boulangerie. A pastry shop selling sweets only is la pâtisserie. And then finally, a shop that sells both, so it sells different kinds of bread and different sweets, such as pies, cakes, etc., is la boulangerie-pâtisserie. A butcher shop selling like steaks, chops, etc. is la boucherie. Be careful not to mix up la boucherie with la boulangerie. And then finally, a deli selling more like sliced meats, cheeses, etc. that you would put on like sandwiches would be la charcuterie. And again, a shop which does both individual slices and larger pieces of meat will combine them together with a hyphen to form la boucherie charcuterie. A fishmonger, so a place that sells fish and other seafood like shellfish, shrimp, etc., is la poissonnerie. Note 2 S's and 2 N's, poissonnerie. A cheese shop selling different kinds of cheese is la fromagerie. A dairy is la crèmerie. And a dairy that also sells cheese, again, smash them together with the hyphen, la crèmerie fromagerie. The last one you're required to know is a general grocery store is l'épicerie. L'épicerie. It is feminine just like all of the rest of them. You're not actually required to know le supermarché or le marché. However, especially when we discuss culture, these are going to be words that we use frequently. They simply aren't going to appear on the test or the final exam. So an épicerie basically is this where you'd find like your fruits, your vegetables, your canned foods, your pastas, things for which there aren't really a specialty person. The supermarché is very, very similar to an épicerie, but it's be more like a supermarket here where you can find little bits and pieces from every single store, even if it does have a specialty. And then the marché is the outdoor market where every single one of these stores gets their own little stall, and it's more like a farmer's market here would be. So note that ending eri, E-R-I-E, it means store. Okay, so we're going to put that onto the end of a word to say that whatever that word is the thing that the store is specializing in selling. So in this particular unit, we have words like boulangerie, pâtisserie, saying it's a store that sells literally products of the baker and of the pastry shop. So a baker is boulanger. So a boulangerie is the baker's store. We have a poissonnerie. So here we have the word poissonnerie. It's a store that specializes in fish. The épicerie literally started off as being a spice store. The épice means spice. The fromagerie, of course, an erie for fromage, we're a store selling cheese. But we can do it with anything. Here's a crêperie, a store selling crepe. The croissanterie, so a store that's specializing in just selling croissant. The lunetterie, selling glasses. We even have the vaisselerie, a store specializing in selling different kinds of dishes. Just about any noun can become an erie